Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be re-leveling my yard shed and adding some lattice to the bottom. Here are some of the tools I'll be using in this project. I will have links to everything I use in the description along with all the supplies. I purchased all the materials from Home Depot. Before starting, you'll need to clean under the shed. As you can see, the left to right on the shed is pretty level, but back to front is about a half a bubble off. Since the shed is still empty, now is the time to fix this problem. My shed is anchored using mobile home ties. First, we'll need to release the tension. Whenever you have to knock a bolt back, such as this carriage bolt, make sure that you leave a nut on the end when hitting it so you don't damage or mar the threads. Now I'll use an automotive jack to bring the shed to level. As you can see, I had to come up quite a bit, almost 20 inches. I took my pressure treated lumber and I cut it down into 12-inch sections using my circular saw. With my various board thicknesses cut and a few pavers I had, I began shimming the shed as needed. Once I was happy with the level, I could retension the straps. Is there a hammer? Yeah. With the shed level, it was time to add the lattice. I took the vinyl 4x4 vinyl post and I cut that down into two pieces, and that created a nice little corner. I then measured, marked, and cut it down to size. With each piece in place, I drilled a pilot hole and secured using 2-inch screws that I had on hand. Then I measured each side where the lattice would be placed. I transferred these measurements to the lattice and connected them using a long straight edge. I then cut it using my angle grinder with a cutoff wheel. I then attached the lattice using 1-inch self-drilling hex head screws that I had for another project. I will be painting the lattice when I paint the shed. To attach multiple sections of lattice together, I used this joining piece that I found and just measured and cut it to length. Just be sure to continue the pattern. Here are some final shots of today's project. I didn't apply lattice to the side of the shed as I'll be adding a ramp in the future and I'll add that lattice then. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to follow along on the building construction, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.